We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hi everyone, it's time for a Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hey, Joseph Ling. And today I'd like to teach people here a procedure that the Chinese have saying when you get a burn that you need to take. And it's a 5-step procedure. In Chinese, it's called 冲脱泡盖送, which basically means rinse when you get a burn, rinse it off first. 脱, which is remove any clothing that you have over that burn. Then 泡, soak, you want to soak it in water. Then 盖, which means cover up with bandage or any clean cloth that you can find. And 送, which means transfer yourself or deliver yourself to the hospital for examination. 所以冲脱泡盖送这个东西呢，从小学就已经学会了，对不对？这个你听过吗？哈 ，Alice。
有。
有哈。那这个我们用哈卡来教一下。冲 ，which is rinse。
冲
，OK， 脱 remove，
脱
，OK， 再来泡 ，you want to soak it in water，
泡
，OK， 盖 ，you want to cover up with a bandage，
盖
OK， and finally 送要送到医院去，送deliver yourself to the hospital. So if we do it fast， 如果要快一点的话，冲脱泡盖送，
冲
脱
泡
盖
送
冲
脱泡盖送。
从头泡盖送。There you go. Next time if I forget, I'll call you, okay? 可是这样会不会来不及？直接就送医院了。You know, in English, there's actually a similar saying. It's not about burn. It's about if you catch on fire. 其实在英文也有一个说法，但它不只是烫伤而已啦。顺便教各位听众，就是说你会听到有人说 stop, drop and roll。这是英文的一种说法 ，stop 就是停下来，所有的事情停下来，万一着火了，对不对？停下来，然后呢 ，drop 就是呢，躺到地上去，然后 roll 滚一滚才会把火灭掉嘛。所以 stop, drop and roll 之后就要冲脱泡盖送这样子。Hopefully that won't happen to you, but if it did, remember those procedure. 有人好像听说会放什么牙膏啊。还有酱油是不是？是真的假的？有这样的，千万不要这样子做 ，OK？ 真的是用这个清水洗一洗之后，然后呢用纱布盖上去，然后赶快去看医生。没错，是最好的了啊。So there you go. That's our Hakka lesson of the day.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.